Hey, today is the day we finally start with the 5G Early Access program. So come join the fun, fly some drones, race some cars. Today we have 5 groups joining, and all of their goal is to find out what is the network actually like. Right? We are testing the quality of service APIs, so you can make this network speed faster, but you can also send more data through the network with our low latency and high bandwidth APIs. But how is it actually be to use those APIs? They'll find out today, and then we will share the reports with you.
We are operating delivery robots, which are remotely controlled. For us, it's highly important that our operators can safely drive the robot through the urban environment. And so we really wanted to try out how 5G access will help us in terms of latency.
Aiyu is a drone software company. We are using drones for inventory checking, and those are big pictures, so we need to have really strong bandwidth, a really strong network to be able to upload the pictures really fast.
The biggest challenge right now is that we are still at least 1 year away from public availability. So how do we actually try the APIs out before they come live? It's obviously why we have the 5G Early Access programs, that you can test them and see how would they work for you, and then once they come live in the network, you are able to use them immediately and gain a competitive advantage. And if you want to join yourself, apply to our 5G Early Access programs.